my lovelies, it's Frederica and I'm back with another video trying to give you some of my mom hacks. Of course we have the stove, and on it right now I have some pasta cooking, but the hacks that keep me going, especially with online school and keep my kids in bed, you know, because I have to be making sure that they're on their classes when they're supposed to, on the Zoom calls when they're supposed to, and also making sure I'm filling their bellies. I use my go-to products in my kitchen, okay? So I'm just going to introduce these things to you. It's something that moms or dads, don't have to be a mom, need in their kitchen, okay? Let me just flip the camera around. Number one is the Instant Vortex Plus, okay? That is an air fryer. Air fryers can give you everything you need when it comes to like French fries, you know, if they want pizza. I just made this pizza here in like 5 minutes. Yes, pizza from Costco, by the way. And let me see what else. There's the pasta that's cooking. My other go-to product is the Ninja Blender, rice cooker. I cook beans in here, rice, everything. Then I have also this little Gotham. I know it's not Batman, but it's like a Batman product, okay? Literally, you put a shell in here, beans. You can make your own burritos out of here. And it's a sandwich maker, and you just close it down, and your food is ready in seconds, okay? Let's see if I can put it here so you can see. Gotham Steel sandwich maker. So, it's awesome, and it's fast, and it's equivalent to making a sandwich on the stove, but it's quicker. Then, of course, I have a toaster. Cuisinart. I wouldn't say that this is the best toaster. I probably could find a better one, but it's a good mom hack. You know what I mean? Then my other mom hack is the can opener. Who has time to be twisting cans opener? You know, can openers. You gotta have it ready to get that can open in seconds. You know, especially if you're trying to get to the Zoom calls and all that kind of stuff. So the Hamilton Beach one is the one that I have. It's my go-to product for like opening up cans. And let me see if I can show you how it works right quick, because I have to make some sauce anyway for the pasta. So let's just put it into action so you can see what it does, okay? I'm back and I got the can and I'll show you how it works, okay? So let me just put this down so you can see it. That might be too extreme of a close-up. I'm sure it is. So you literally put it like this. And voila. The can is opened. It took less than a few seconds. Of course, it's not supposed to stay stuck in there, but it did. So I'll get a knife and take that out. But anyway, yeah, that was just a little quick video to show you some mom hacks. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I didn't upload yesterday or whatever, but I plan to do 2 more videos. But these are like mom hacks that like you need to know. You need to have the blender. You need that blender. You need this can opener that's electronic. You need the sandwich maker. You need the toaster. Always got your stove, of course. And this right here is just my go-to air fryer. Instant Vortex Plus. I can't say enough good things about it. It is like, it cooks fish. It cooks everything. It cooks French fries. And another kit, I know these probably aren't as healthy, these Burrito fries, you know, but we can get the 8-pound bag, family size, over at Costco. But what I really love are these sweet potato fries, and I'm going to show you these in a second, okay? Yeah, so basically the fries are just awesome. They're sweet potato fries, and you just basically just put some onion powder on them. That's what I find to be good. Put an onion powder on the fries, give them that little flavoring that they need, and then I bake them for like 5 or 6 minutes in the air fryer. So yeah, they're called Tropic Tropicland sweet potato fries. And these can be found at Costco. These are delicious. Oh my God, they're so delicious. So, yeah, those are good. And we also get like these pizzas from Costco. These are kind of like good in a bunch. You know, you need some pizzas or anything quick for the kids, then that's also a good go-to. And then they have quiche there. I don't know if you guys like quiche. They're really like egg bites, if you want to call them that, you know. So they have a lot of good stuff. So if you're interested in like a Costco grocery haul, let me know, and I'll be happy to do it for you. But for now, I'm signing out. Peace. Love you guys. Bye. Okay, lovelies, I'm going to show you how the Gotham sandwich maker works. First, let me plug it up. You saw it in the clip earlier, what it was. So this is the little machine. I've turned it on. As you can see, the lights are here. I'm sure they have bigger ones in the supermarket, but my husband got this from Walmart. So he said he might give me a bigger one, but this has been perfect for me now, you know, and what I use it for. And basically what I do is we have these gigantic package of pinto beans from Walmart. I don't know, this is a 10-pound bag, you know. And these times I suggest that you guys get bigger quantity of stuff so you don't have to keep running to the store, especially during a pandemic. You want to make sure you have as much food on hand as possible. So we try to make sure we're stocked with rice and beans, you know, all of the essentials and things like that. And that, like, not a lot of people are running in and out of the house, you know. Like as far as as our immediate family goes, we're not going to store after store after store because we try to just keep, you know, ourselves as sheltered as much as possible because it's the best way to keep you and your family safe this holiday season and even beyond the pandemic, you know. So that's what I normally use, and I'll cook it in that rice cooker, my beans, and they might take 1 to 2 hours. I kind of use the rice cooker as like a slow cooker. So you can use it as that. And that particular rice cooker is found at Target. And I think it goes for like $15. That is so cheap for a rice cooker. And also it can cook beans and vegetables, you know. So I've even made like turkey hot dog sausage in them and things like that. But it takes a little bit longer. But, you know, if you're not wasting your time, it automatically goes to warm when it's time to shut down. And that can be good, especially when you're trying to save time. The flour shells I use are these super taco shells, and you can make a burrito out of these, bean burritos. And my machine is getting hot, so hopefully that'll show you that. Then I also get this great value cheese. As you can see, it's almost gone. I really love cheese, the kids and I, but I probably love it more than them. You know, then these are beans that I'll cook, you know, hacks for the week. Like I try to make sure that I have enough beans for the week and enough rice or anything else, essentials that they need. I try to make sure that my daughter just has her go-to foods, like during her breaks, that she can come and get her lunch. I make her breakfast every morning, which she likes waffles and she likes her syrup and stuff like that. So I just try to make sure I have that done every day for her, and her little snacks that she can go and get because I may be, you know, doing homework or in a Zoom meeting with her brother. So that's a mom hack, you know. And you got to keep these kids organized so they can get good grades. And I'm so thankful to say that my kids, by the grace of God, are doing well in the Zoom sessions. You know, and maybe it's because I'm there to guide them along the way. And some parents can't do that because, you know, they have work schedules where they can't do it. But my work schedule is such that I can, you know what I mean? Thank God. And my husband's work schedule is such that, you know, I'm here so that he don't have to worry about it, you know. So that balances out. Thank God, you know. So anyway, I'm going to make this bean burrito for you and show you how it goes. You just put your shell there, and you're going to see how it's going to just look so easy and be wonderful when it comes. So I make enough beans to last like for the week or whatever. And we don't eat a lot of meat. We eat like turkey and fish, chicken sometimes, you know. But it'll be like the cut up chicken, which you can find it really good at a really great deal for it over at Costco, you know. And I like their flautas too, which I don't have any to show you. And when I do get some more, I'll probably prepare those in the rice cooker so you can see how that goes, okay? So let me get my spoon out of here, which I should have been prepared for that. And I'm going to wash my hands always start with a pair of clean hands before you start cooking. Which I already washed my hands before I touched the shell. I know it looks like I didn't, but I did that before I even got set up. I always wash my hands constantly. It's the best way to keep yourself healthy. Especially if you're preparing food, always wash your hands. Grab a paper towel. Okay. And bring it back a little spoon over here. Okay, and you can just bean up, you know, take out however much beans you want. I'm putting in that quantity. And I'll put maybe another little scoopful more. Beans are very healthy for you if you're a vegetarian or you don't like to eat a lot of meat. Like, I don't like to eat a lot of meat, especially red meat. But it can be good sometimes if you want, you know. I guess people do it like steak. But I don't eat a lot of steak or anything like that. Primarily we're on fish, turkey, and chicken. I think those are healthier. And then I like sardines too, you know, for the omega-3 acids in them. So I put the cheese in already, and then I'm just going to wrap it. I wish I knew it was a real burrito wrapper, but I'm really not. I'm just making it look like I know what I'm doing, right? So I just fold these over. I fold the corners of each shell over. It's already getting a little hard, and then this part stays open because there's a lot of food in there. And then you just fold it down. As you can see, it's going. It's red and green, and it closes up at the bottom. So, and comment down below if you clean and cook at the same time, because that's what I do. I don't like dirty dishes all stacked up. I like to clean and cook at the same time because to me it just makes you messy when you don't just do it all at the same time. My mom taught me that, like, clean and cook at the same time, so that way you don't have all that to do, especially when you're doing holiday cooking. It's a lot of work. So it's best to clean and cook. And I see a few crumbs here, so I'm going to just knock these out the way. And that's cooking. That's going to take about maybe 2 to 3 minutes, you know, tops. And you can put anything you want in there, you know. I primarily use it for beans and eggs. So, as you can see, I'm washing my hands again, because that's what I do. Alright, wash this out. I see a bowl here. I'm going to wash that out as well. So I won't have that to do after this is prepared. So I hope you all are preparing for your Christmas holiday and everything. And, you know, you're preparing to be with family that you can be with, and those that you can't be with, you know. I've sent a lot of packages over to my family that I'm not going to be able to be with this year because, you know, we want to be safe and everything and celebrate safely. But I was able to do that today. Hopefully it'll arrive for Christmas, fingers crossed. But if it doesn't, they know it's on the way. So, you know, that being said, if you can't be with your family, don't worry about it. You just want to make sure that you are protecting yourself now so that you can be with them later. So the sacrifices that we have to make now, you know, it doesn't really matter about the sacrifices we have to make now because we want to be able to enjoy them in the future, you know. And I've had 2 valuable losses in my family this year, you know, and we're just trying to recoup and try to go on from those, you know. And it wasn't from COVID or anything, you know, but one was and one wasn't. So, you know, I know firsthand how this is, you know, but anyway, that being said, just try to protect you guys, yourselves, and your families as much as you can, you know. That's what I say. So let's check on our shell. The green light is already gone. Ooh, it's looking good. But I always like it to be a little browner than this. So let me get my spatula out. And it's looking good. Some of the food is coming out, so I just put it back in there. Then you flip it over, because I like it to go on both sides, so it can be brown. And then make it on the plate. Let's see, get a bowl. Find a bowl here. And I don't know if you can hear the sizzling. but it is sizzling. Sizzle, 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 sizzle. Let's see what's going on. Ooh, okay. So let me show you the end results. You don't have to keep it in there too long. Okay, and let's turn this off. I will clean this as soon as it cools, so there won't be any dirty stains. And this is what we're working with. And I actually could make it a little browner, but for the sake of the video, I didn't want to keep you guys a long time. Oops, sorry about that. I didn't want to keep you guys a long time, but this is the video. This is the bean burrito that I make, and they're usually delicious. It's too late for me to eat this now, but I did it for you all. I'll eat it in the morning because I'm filming this late, and I had a problem with the lighting and everything because I shot some of the video in the morning time. Then I'm shooting really late tonight. So anyway, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed my kitchen hacks and mom hacks, you know, and these actually will run me even beyond Zoom sessions or whatever, even when the kids are back in school again. Even when the kids are back in school, then I'm going to be doing the same thing. All right, love you guys. Talk to you soon, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the channel. Bye. Love you.